Hello subscribers and new viewers. Um, in today's video I will show you how to create a numbers, letters for the use of your address or something into 3D model and doing some 3D prints. Basically I already did a lot of 3D numbers and letters, and that was, if I'm not mistaken, 6 years ago. Yeah, let's try this block holder. Is that a block holder or something? Fonts. So basically I did 3D print and put a holes for the screws. So my idea is using a plastic numbers instead of a useful metal, putting on your house a colorful plastic instead of a metal, because metals you can use it anywhere. Like if you need strength, use a metal rather than plastic. So basically these numbers and letters in your house, you don't need like strength in this one. It will sit there like 100 years, or while your house is still there or still standing. So basically I did check the fonts, and it's not available on ProgeCAD, so I might suggest to choose another font, which is this. So basically height is 150 or 6 inches. I usually change the width so it will fit my Iligomars 4 inches and something. Okay, so I changed the font, and I'm having trouble connecting this polyline into one entity. So I need to flatten it, overkill, to delete the duplicate lines before extruding this, because it won't turn into a solid if it's not connected, right? So this is one of the easiest things or model that you wanna do, and useful. And what else? Durable, I guess, because it's not actually moving, or you don't need strength on this. When you screwed it into the wood, it's not gonna move. No one's gonna hang in there. So instead of the plastic throwing away to the sea or to the ocean or to the drainage, why not use this one in the most reliable non-forced homes, doors, cabinets, anything. Yeah, it's not gonna stain. You can't ruin it, since it's just attached to a wall, to a wood, right? So yeah, this is my first idea when I started doing some research on my when I knew the 3D printer comes out. So yeah, I'm thinking of uploading this one to the website Thanksgivers, so a lot of people can download it directly by themselves and not asking me any favors. So yeah, I have hundreds of files, I think 5 different fonts with different numbers and letters, so you can choose whatever you want that fits your needs, or whatever your request or thinking that might fit to the design of your house. Your cabinets, doors, like putting names like office doors or something, is you can use a glue to stick it to the wood, just like a lamacoid for industrials, right? They use a plastic for naming a cabinet, putting a drawing numbers in it. So okay, right now I'm working on this solid object, just to subtract to the letters and numbers that I have and put a holes in it, so when you stick a screw, it's not hanging out on the surface of the front letters. Yes, and what else? So I need to revolve this object. I'm trying to overkill the lines, delete the duplicate, and then join through polyline edit. So basically, let's go back to the plastic compared to metal. So metal can be used for a durable, like a chairs or something, right? But plastic, you still need to forge it and make it flexible to use on those kind of equipment or furnitures or something. But in the numbers, which you're gonna hanging out outside your home, screwed, brittle wise, cold, hot, it's not gonna melt. And yeah, so indoor, outdoor, plastic is durable. Let's don't throw it on the ocean or destroy our environment. Let's think of something that it will be useful, but then again, it's not a waste. It's actually beautiful because of the colors, different colors, right? Yeah, I'll be uploading these letters, numbers into Thanksgivers maybe. I'll check the terms and condition. What's their terms and condition? Because I don't mind if I don't have any control on this one. Everyone can copy this one. So yeah, guys, please subscribe and comments if you have any question, or if you wanna discuss something specific, please comment and please share my video. Okay guys, and share my videos, and see you next time for more discussion.